Mastros is a Chrome extension that exports Telegram data straight from your browser. There's nothing to connect. No API key, no phone number, no login code. It reads Telegram's own data through the session you're already signed into. So you get usernames the interface never shows. 5 extractors, 1 panel, group members, chat messages, recent contacts, mutual groups, and media. Open Telegram Web, open the Mastros sidebar, and it picks up the chat you have open. Choose an extractor, press Start, Export. It works in any chat you can already open. Public groups, private groups, channels, direct messages, large communities. Group members pulls the full roster of a group or channel, name, username, ID, and status. Most large groups hide their member list. Mastros tells you it's locked, then gathers everyone who is posted and resolves their usernames. Chat messages exports the conversation, sender, username, timestamp, and text. Recent contacts pulls the real people out of your direct messages. Groups, channels, and bots filtered out. Mutual groups finds the groups you share with someone, then extracts members from any of them. Media download scans a chat, then downloads photos, videos, documents, and voice notes at original quality. Subburdened. Export to CSV, JSON, or JSONL. CSV opens straight in Excel or Google Sheets. Every run is bounded. You choose how much it reads. Mastros Telegram Scraper. No API key, no setup. Available on the Chrome Web Store.